Hello and welcome to my bakery. In this video I'm going to show you how to feed and maintain your rye sourdough. So I like to use these WEC jars because they are nice and high, not too big, and have a lovely lid. So put the jar on the scale, then you add 20 grams of your sourdough starter, 2 more, okay. Then I will add 100 grams of warm water and I will stir this mixture. And now I will add 100 grams of whole grain rye. Okay. Then you can use a spoon or a spatula to stir it until it is free from lumps. That's important. You can also do that in an extra bowl, but it's not really necessary. So, use the scraper to clean your spoon and stir a bit more. Okay, that looks nice. Okay, use the scraper again to clean your spoon and then clean the jar, the inside. Okay, and then cover it and now you will put it somewhere warm. So ideally between 25 and 30 degrees. I like to put it on the heating, but you can also put it into your oven with the light on. That would also be nice and warm. And I will leave it there for about 5 hours and then we'll check what it looks like. The rye sourdough starter has risen now for 5 hours and it looks good. And here, look at these bubbles. So that means you can now put it into the fridge and leave it there until you use it in order to bake a bread. Or you would have to feed it again in 7 days.